Hello children, welcome back. In our previous tutorial, we have learned about the topic growth. We learned that how the growth takes place in the living beings. So just let's have a quick recap of the previous taught lesson. In our previous tutorial, we learned about the living and non-living things. What are living things? Things which have life and can grow are called living things. Example, plant, animals, human beings, etc. And what are non-living things? Things which do not have life and cannot grow are called non-living things. Example, car, table, book, etc. We also discussed more and more about living and non-living things. There is a basic difference between a living and non-living thing. Living things have life, but whereas non-living thing doesn't have life. So you can see here, living things can move from one place to other. They can breathe. They can eat. They can reproduce. They can grow, excrete and die. Some examples like human being, birds, animals, plants and trees. On contrary to that, non-living things cannot move. They cannot breathe, they cannot eat, they cannot reproduce, they can't grow, they can't excrete and they don't die. Some examples of non-living thing are like mobile phone, class, book, ball. In our previous tutorial, we also learned about growth. What is growth? So, what is growth? The process of gradual increase in size and shape or the developments in a living being is called as growth. All living beings grow with time. Growth is a gradual process that occurs in all the living beings. We took some examples also like how a bird grows. An example of a chick grows into a hen. First you will see an egg. An egg gets hatched and there comes a chick. The chick grows and gradually turns into a hen or a cock. One more example of a plant, like a seed grows into a plant. So when you sow a seed, it germinates. You can see a sapling. The next stage is plant and the plant grows into a tree. Now let me make this thing one clear to you that all plants do not grow into a tree. The bushy plants like rose or tulsi, they are small plants. They don't grow that big. Even grasses, they are smaller than that. But the plants like mango, neem, banyan, they grow taller and heavier. They grow into a tree. Animals also grow by time, like a baby elephant grows into an adult elephant. You can see a baby elephant going through different stages of growth and turns into an adult elephant. Now, moving further towards this same topic, today we will take an example that how this process of growth occurs in human being. So today we are going to learn the stages of growth in human being. So just let's learn few points about it. Human beings grow by time. Human beings can move, can breathe, eat, reproduce, grow, excrete, and by time when they get old, die. They are living beings. As because they are living beings, so all these process happens in human being like moving, breathing, eating, reproducing, etc. A human body goes through different stages of growth by time. That I'll just tell you how it goes through different stages. Uh, just like a baby turns into an adult with the passage of time and dies after getting old. So just let us learn the different stages of growth in a human body. Meet Ankit. Ankit is celebrating his birthday. He has turned 8 today. When Ankit was born, he was a small baby. Can you see how Ankit used to look when he was born? He did not have teeth. He could not sit. He could not walk or talk. He could only drink milk and water. He was just dependent on his mother, on his parent. He slept the whole day and cried when he felt hungry. You all have also gone through these stages, children. When you were born, you used to look like this. Your mother used to fetch milk, water. Your father used to take care of you. When you felt hungry, you used to cry. And whole day, even you used to sleep. As Ankit grew older, he learned to sit, stand, and then walk. He learned by time. When he grew older, he first learned to sit, and then he started standing, and then he started walking, and even talking also after some time. Now Ankit has become a grown-up child. He is 8 years old now. He has become taller and heavier. He goes to school. As a child grows up, he can do many things like walking, talking, playing, picking up the things which were not possible before when he was a baby. Now these things get possible when he grows up by time. Now let's see further what happens. After few years, when Ankit will become a teenager, just like his cousin Tushar. He will become a teenager like his cousin Tushar. With the passage of time, Ankit will grow up and will become like his father. Then he will be called as an adult. After many years, Ankit will grow old like his grandfather. So you can see when Ankit was a small baby, he grew older as a boy. Now Ankit, after some time, you will see as a teenager. After some more years, he will grow up into an adult man and then into an old man, just like his grandfather. Ankit has a young sister, Sujata. When she will grow up, she will become a lady like her mother. Many years later, she will grow old like her grandmother. Did you see the different stages of human being? Let's have a recap once again. Here you see a baby. A baby, when grows older, he learns to sit, stand, walk, talk. And then by time the baby turns into a child and the child turns into a teenager boy. The teenager boy grows older and turns into an adult man. With the passage of time, the adult man grows older and gets old. The same process occurs in a baby girl too. A baby girl also, by passage of time, learns to sit, stand, walk, talk, and then grows into a teenager girl. The teenager girl grows older and turns into a lady or a woman. A woman then by the time turns into an old woman. So this was the process of the human being that happens through different stages of growth. I hope children you have understood the concept very well, and we will meet again in our next tutorial with some new adventurous topic. Bye for now.